Hey everyone, this is Paranormal Vegan, and I just wanted to do a really quick video on how to make the perfect soft-boiled egg, because I had tried this many times in the past and none of the ways they told you to do it ever worked out. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it the exact time to take it off the stove, and the time that's worked for me is exactly 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Once you see a big bubble coming underneath the egg, and I'll show you just exactly how I do it. You want a small spoon, and you also want a butter knife, and I'll show you why. So what you're going to need is a cold egg right from the fridge that I have here, and you're going to need cold water. You're just going to put it directly in there, and then you're going to turn it on high heat. And once it starts getting to that perfect time to take it off, I'm going to come right back and show you what that looks like. You're going to take it off and slightly put the lid on it for 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, this is the perfect time to take the egg to the side once these big bubbles start forming under it and start coming to the surface. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off and leave it aside for exactly 3 minutes and 20 seconds. I actually like to put the lid on a little bit too, just kind of like that. Alright, I'm back. We're almost at 3 minutes and 20 seconds. There we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this thing and you're going to immediately scoop it up and rinse it off some cold water. Be right back. That should stop the cooking process. And then you're going to take your butter knife, and there's like this smaller, pointier section of the egg, and you're going to do your best to kind of chop right below that. So here we go. Perfect. And I just want to show you. Perfect soft-boiled egg. Can't get no better than that. So then you're going to take your spoon, and you're going to scoop out the inside. Like that. I figured this out because I was tired of peeling these. I love soft-boiled eggs, but it's time to peel it. So you just do the little old butter knife chop on it. And there you go. I'm going to show you. Proof's in the pudding there. Just fantastic to put this over like some buttered toast or some steamed or sautéed broccoli. So try this exact method and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.